Hello guys, this is Lei. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you another quick and easy wall mirror DIY idea. Let's get started. In today's project, I'm going to recycle the board and mirror I prepared in one of the previous projects. The board was made of a tri-fold project board from Dollar Tree with a diameter of 26 inches. The mirror is 12 inches and I got it from Amazon. To give the board a new look, I decided to use the blue wallpaper I bought from Amazon. This wallpaper is self-adhesive and the pattern is very beautiful and also very easy to apply on the flat surface. You can find more information about this wallpaper in the description box below if you're interested. This is how the board looks after I applied the blue wallpaper on it. Next, I want to show you the second item I used for this DIY project. Yes, it's a small ornament from Christmas celebration. I spray painted them in gold color and wanted to give the good contrast with the blue background. Basically, I just laid out those ornaments around the 12 inches mirror and used hot glue gun to attach them onto the board. Super simple to do, right? Now let's check out how this mirror looks. It's simply beautiful and took me around 10 minutes to make it. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on today's DIY project. If you are new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here. If you also like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and give me some up. I will be super excited about that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.